Oye, mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man. Guys, we're working today on an oil boiler system. That's right, we're working on a peerless oil boiler with a Riello oil burner. So as you guys see in the video, it's a hot water system. So right now we're working on oil burner. We're replacing the oil pump, as you guys can see in the video. First thing is first, make sure safety is first. So make sure your power is off and your oil supply from the oil tank is off. So again, guys, take pictures. Make sure you guys don't make any mistakes. That's pretty straightforward. Pictures is worth 1,000 words. All right, we're doing the electrical part right now on the oil pump, and we're done. Next thing is we're actually cleaning out a heat exchanger of the oil boiler. Take out the cover, remove the cover, get access to the heat exchanger and place the vacuum hose inside the heat exchanger, and you guys start brushing down the heat exchanger. And as you guys are done, you guys put everything back together. Put the cover back on, put the main cover back on, and now we're gonna start working on putting the flue pipe back together. So we're actually changing the pressure reducer valve because it was faulty, it was not giving a proper pressure to the boiler. So first thing you do, disconnect the union. As you guys disconnect the union, it's very simple. Counterclockwise, remove the pressure reducer valve and place the new one. Now we're working on the expansion tank. So once that's all done, you're able to take out the expansion tank carefully, safely, and once everything is done, you put the new expansion tank back on, and that's it. So guys, with that being said, we're done here for today. If you guys have any questions, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can always call me the Boilerman at 516-377-5200. Guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap the bell button to watch my next video.